Yo, what is up YouTube? It's your boy Breezy Kicks, the sneaker fiend. Now today we're reviewing the Jordan 1 mid in the shadow colorway. Before we do that, make sure if you are new to the channel, you subscribe, hit that like button if you like the content. Follow me on Instagram at breezy_kicks23. That being said, it's your boy Breezy Kicks. Let's get it. So we have seen the shadow colorway in the Jordan 1 high and the Jordan 1 lows, and we are now getting it in the mid model. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I'm not a huge fan of Jordan 1 mids or Jordan 1 lows. Lately though, I have been getting into some lows. I've been checking out some mids because honestly, Jordan brand has just been killing these colorways, and bam, the Jordan 1 mid shadow. Actually my favorite mid, just because I love black and white colorways. So you can wear this colorway with pretty much any outfit. Black and white's gonna go with any color. Then I feel like the subtle touch of gray is what collides the black and white together nicely, so it's not as loud. And yeah, I think this is a dope everyday type of shoe. It's gonna be hard at first to get used to because I'm really used to Jordan 1 highs. And I know there's not much of a difference between the mid top and the high top. There's really like maybe half an inch up the hill. And obviously you do have the difference between the tag, but that's pretty much it. I've been a sneakerhead for so long, I notice all the little details, especially when they're on my feet. So wearing a mid compared to a high is a big difference, at least to me. Personally, I do notice it. It does kind of bug me. But I plan on rocking these, you know, to the gym, hitting these for leg day, perfect leg day shoe. You know, you got a solid flat bottom. I'll probably just use this as like a workout gym shoe. It can go with a lot of different, you know, gym outfits. It's the perfect colorway. Taking a closer look at the shoe, you got some black up in the front around the toe area, gray Nike swoosh, black Air Wings logo on the side. Your toe section running up to your tongue is white. It does come with black laces. You could put some white laces on here, but I think black's honestly gonna look the best. So I'm definitely sticking with the black. Maybe if you can get a hold of some gray ones, that could look really dope too. But like I said, I'm sticking with these black laces. You have the Jumpman Air up at the top of the tongue. Black lining, black insole with a white Jumpman logo. White midsole, solid black outsole. Now the quality on this mid is actually pretty decent. I'm actually pretty surprised with the quality. I feel like the toe section has the best quality leather. You guys can see it's a little more tumbled leather, but I mean, it's honestly nothing crazy. It's a Jordan mid. It's nowhere near the same level of quality as a Jordan 1 high, but it's not bad quality. You know, retails 120, 110, 100. Let me check. Yeah, retail is 115. You're definitely getting your money's worth. If you're just kind of like stepping your foot into the sneaker game, getting some mids is not a bad choice at all. 115 retail. A lot of the mids have actually been getting some resale value. They've been going up to around 150, some even hitting like 200 plus depending on the colorway. I could definitely see this colorway here having quite a bit of resale potential in the future. The shoe looks dope in hand and on pictures, but let's see what it looks like on feet.
Had a condo for your bitch, had a condo for your swish, swish, yeah, smash, then I dip, swish, I do it, swish, let's go, let's go, let's go. Had a product for your bitch, had a product for your swish, swish, yeah, I'm in the level you cannot, bitch, I'm a dog, I'm a canine, she give me hit them like take five, she give me hit them like high five, my eyes is real like a Jedi. I just got racks, can I divide? Nigga, my flow, you divine. Energy did, I'm a revive. Step in the room and I revive. Exit the room and I revive. I'm finna skirt in the G5. Strictly surrounded by good vibes. I do it pronto. I'm selling white and I'm feeling like Pablo. Took out a pistol and just shot it random. All of these guns got me feeling like Rambo. You cannot see me, a nigga got camo and...
Bam, the Jordan 1 mid shadow, such a dope colorway. I think it looks dope on feet. Let me know what you guys think of the shoe. Did you cop, or are you gonna cop now that you've seen this video? Do you think there's any resale potential with this colorway? If so, drop your predictions down in the comment section below. If you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, hit that like button if you like the content. Follow me on Instagram at breezy_kicks23. That being said, your boy Breezy Kicks. We out.
I don't trust no one but a God that we trust, nigga. If we getting rated, everything is getting flushed. I done had 12 do that shit more than once, nigga. If I gotta go and make a move, best believe it's getting done. Best believe it's getting done. Best believe it's getting done. I don't trust no one but a God that we trust, nigga. If we getting rated, everything is getting flushed. I done had 12 do that shit more than once.